Welcome once again to my guitar tutorial of our 14-day guitar tutorial, guitar lesson for beginners. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll be able to get notification whenever we drop a video. And if you have been here, thank you for being here once again. And today we are going to learn a brand new chord, which is very easy to learn also, and that is actually D minor. D minor is played very easily by placing your very first finger on the first string behind the first fret, everything first. And then your second finger, you are going to place it on the third string behind the second fret as our diagram has indicated. And then finger number 3, you are going to place it on the second string behind the third fret. We are going to strum from string number 4. This is D minor for you. I want to show you a difference between this and the D itself. D itself is this way. Grab your guitar and practice this. Remember, we have our chord diagrams in the description of this video, both for the major keys and the minor keys. It is very free. Just click on it and you get the PDF and be able to read through and see how you can easily play this. Alright, see you next time. If you love this video, please give it a thumb up and share it to others so that they will be able to know and learn how to play this. Let's grow together. See you next time and God bless you.